Good afternoon. It's May 15th, 2024. I'm going to get started a little early today. 12:03, so about an hour until market closes to the public. Um, big, big breakout today. So it was hard at first to know what the target was, or at least for me it was. And let's see. Yeah, we sold off to about 50% and people started buying, and then we come back up here and boom, this ends up being the midline, this big bar all the way to the top. Uh, and then we get this strong trend up. And so then I started looking for this. But if you pull up the daily chart, I'm pretty sure these are record highs over here. So I started looking at that, and I got long in the MES, and I was like, okay, well, if this tip top is 553.33, I'm going to put my target at 53.30, and I think everyone took their profits at 53.30.25. So yeah, almost perfect. And those are numbers you need to be aware of. And every 10 is it's like a strike price for options. So there's, I don't know, Al Brooks goes into it in his course, but anyway, you get this huge breakout to the high side from this news item, and then good follow through, but then we just go sideways, and so you get two legs of correction, and then you get a double bottom right here. I think that's reasonable to enter there, and then we just start going sideways. And we come up here. I don't think you want to go short just yet, but I think when you get this second entry short and double top, I think it's reasonable to consider that. I think the swings down have been they're there, but here's the problem I'm seeing is that you might look at that as a channel, especially because that looks like it connects to this pullback. So, there's definitely reasons to not go short. But, when we get this swing down, I'm expecting another leg down, and I think you can enter there. Failed second entry long, second entry short. And then we hit that 50% mark, and all the buyers come back. And you get this buy climax and a pullback, but then it just keeps going. This turns out to be the top of the channel, and we get a second entry long off of the trend line, and then a higher low, very bullish bar. I think you got to take that. Then we come up here, second entry long. I think you got to take that one too. And then we break out above the highs, and we create a gap. And then you get a second entry long off the trend line, off the EMA. Take that. And then we form this range. Break out a little to the high side, it fails. Boom, breaks out to the low side, and boom, rockets up. I mean, really, you could probably take that. And if you don't take that failed second entry short. And if you don't take that, honestly, you could take this probably. And then we come out here and we make a gap above this, and you get a double test. And I mean, the trend looks like it's slowing down at this point, but I think it's worth buying in here because the bear moves haven't been very significant. But then you're just going sideways. I mean, so I don't know if anything will happen. Volume's been super low lately. Who knows if we'll get more movement, but yeah, check it out on the daily chart. Big breakout bull bar. Could be a buy climax. So just keep that in mind. Anyway, there's one more look. Hope everyone had a great day. I'll be back tomorrow.